You feel like you're doing everything right, but nothing is changing. You're improving your diet, you're drinking more water, you're trying to take care of yourself, but your body still feels stuck. Here's why. The missing piece is stress. Not emotional stress only, biological stress. Your nervous system controls whether your body repairs or protects. When stress is high, your body switches into survival mode. Digestion becomes inefficient, inflammation increases, energy is conserved, repair stops. Most people don't realize this. They think they need more supplements, more effort, more strategies. But the system is not ready to repair because it does not feel safe. This is where people get it wrong. Healing is not just about inputs. It is about state. If your body is in survival, it cannot rebuild. Even if everything else is correct, healing follows a sequence: hydration, structure, energy, safety, then repair. Without safety, the system pauses. But once safety is restored, everything begins to change. Energy improves, inflammation reduces, the body shifts back into repair. Your body is not broken. It is responding exactly as designed. Follow for more health insights.